This is my potentiometric titration of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. I sped this up, so this is a little long procedure going through each little milliliter. But essentially started off with a 10 milliliter solution of the 1 mole, 0.1 mole sodium hydroxide in a 250 milliliter beaker. And then I filled my burette with the hydrochloric solution, zero point 0.1 mole hydrochloric solution. And I went down through the process of, the color change. It started from green, and then it went to yellow to a light yellow. Um, what I found with this is was never able to get down to the 7 uh, pH reading of 7, um, which is where I guess that's my endpoint where it turns back to a green or to a pinkish color. So I think my original solution was wrong, but I guess it was kind of clarified in the next experiment. But yes, it went all the way down. It went all the way down, and the best I could do was get it to during the 19 milliliters was get it to a light yellow, which was like a 11.03 pH. I could never get it clear. That was my only problem with that one. This is the first trial of my titration to find the concentration of sodium hydroxide solution. Um, I was able to get it clear at 28.8. That's the volume that I added of the hydrochloric solution. Um, Such hydrochloric acid, zero point 0.1 mole, it was added to get it clear. This is my second trial of the concentration to find the sodium hydroxide solution, and that actually came out at 29.1 milliliters to where it became clear. Um, this is makes me wonder what my one of my solutions was off. That's why I didn't get the correct reading in the first experiment, the first procedure. This is my third trial of the titration to find the concentration of sodium hydroxide solution. It ended up at 29.1, the same as the second trial. And I sped all these up just so it's kind of monotonous to go through. I put it a 4 by speed. But at the end, it was to get it clear, it was the 29.1, the same as trial 2. And I noticed that when I kept I kept adding and adding. Once I hit the 29.1, I added more and more solution. It actually started turning pink, but it took a few more milliliters to get it there. As you can see, what I'm doing right here, this is where I'm just after the experiment try to see where it would go to the pink magenta color. Um, it took a little bit longer. More you could see the hydrochloric solution going through the burette. And there it is right now to get that color. And now that's the final pH of the clear solution at the end point.